Let's turn it on. Can you imagine hard drives being loud as this nowadays? Yeah, me neither. And yeah, animated wallpaper out of the box. Windows 2000 is more advanced than Windows 11, which is, well, yeah, just how it is. So, how you play games today, you download it from Steam, GOG, and Co. So how did we do it back then? I'll show you. You take a CD, you pop it into the tray. I'm doing this one on the side. There we go. Oop. Come on. Let's see if I can get into frame perfectly. And oh, it's in German. Okay. It's Anno 1602. We can either install or close it. We're going to install it. Alright, continue. Yes. No one reads this anyway. That's correct. We don't need that. Install that. Not to mention, you couldn't order CDs back then, so you actually had to run to the store. What I used to do, get magazines which included CDs like you've seen before, like full versions, which was fun. And yeah, you don't need an internet connection, nothing. You just need a computer, a CD drive, which back in 2000 was semi-common, I guess. The humming noise you hear, that is the hard drive, not the fan. And yes, these noises are normal. They are loud. And before you ask, no, there's no SSD installed. Why? It's IDE. You can install an IDE or like a SSD on an IDE port, but it's useless. The port or the bus itself is too slow for it. And with a miracle, this IDE hard drive is fully functional and has no errors, no defective sectors. So it's a miracle. It was created in the year 2000, which means this computer and the hard drive in it is older than some of the people watching. which makes me just feel old. God damn. I chose this game because it doesn't take 5 years to install, because if you're dealing with AAA 3D games, which in early 2000s were a thing, this video would be an hour long, and so that's why I chose Anno 1602. It's lightweight, runs on pretty much any toaster, probably on this guy as well. So I'm watching you. No eating RAM. It's 512 megabytes. So while it loads the game onto the hard drive, I found this in the trash bin. Someone threw it away because, well, probably some older folk realizing that the internet does not work on any device anymore. It was completely jacked up over here. That's why you can see the little goose stain. It's glued because I don't have spare parts for these anymore. This was built in the year 2000 and it was sold until the year 2001. It's a Toshiba Satellite 3000 512, I think, if I remember correctly. Also getting drivers was a pain in the butt. Like, really. I found the official driver CD on archive.org, which is a lucky shot. Oh, and how do you install drivers, you ask? Well, I'll give you a hint. The same way we install this, with CD or floppy, which this one doesn't have. It's hot swappable, but I don't have the floppy. So yeah, this is fast, by the way. Like I said, bigger games, you could go out for a walk, go to your boyfriend, girlfriend, watch a movie together, and it would still install games. It would be like, let's see, like Gothic, I think. Oh, it's finished. Okay, read me. No one reads this. Like, come on, bro. Read me. Do not read me. So, now we have to start the game. For the menu. Doing it for the phone screen is a bit tough. Let's see. There we go. And then we click on it. Like that. No DRM, nothing. You just click on it. Anno, creation of a new world. Or creating a new world. Whatever tickles your fancy. And the circle you see here, that's just the screen being burned in. Because it's like... Oh jeez. And there we go. Can skip this, I think. Nope. Escape maybe? Yeah. Single player, multiplayer credits, intro, exit. Then you can create a new game. Oh wait, I have to endless, hard, start the game. Wait a second. What did I just see? Enter your name, it says, and it is Animus. Oh, someone thought this was clever in the 2000s.